What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P, back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today's video is my geared update. I'm on week 16 and 4 months in. Yeah, it's crazy that I've gone this long without a real trim, like really shaping it up. But I mean, I've been kind of getting away with it so far because I don't care what people think. You can talk all the trash all you want. I mean, I don't care. It doesn't bother me. And I haven't really noticed any real growth. I mean, my stuff is curly, so it's really longer than what it is. As you can see, it's longer than what it really truly is. You can see and I don't know how long it is. I know you're supposed to measure from your bottom of your lip to the end of it, but it's a whole lot longer than what is showing on camera because of my curly texture. So curly, coarse hair. And one change that I made was this. I added this to the routine about a couple of days ago, the Nature's Bounty hair, skin, and nail gummies. And if y'all don't remember, I bought these a couple of weeks ago, and they were on sale at Walgreens. I don't know if they're still on sale now. You can get them at Walmart, Walgreens, Target, CVS, Rite Aid, I don't know, but yeah, I decided, I got these. I went ahead and took the rest of my other biotin I was taking, and then I started taking these. And I'm gonna tell y'all something, I almost overdosed on these. These gummies, I don't know what it is, man, they taste good, man. I took two, and I was like, man, damn, these are good. I'm like, ooh. And I was like, I almost took two more. So yeah, I almost overdosed on this stuff. I don't think you can really overdose on gummies for hair, skin, and nails. And if anything, I guess it would make your hair grow faster. I don't know, but I'm gonna be honest, yeah, it's just it's hard not to really take these because they taste good. They almost like a damn lifesaver gimme. Not gimme, but gummies. Gimme, what the hell? But yeah, I almost overdosed on these. So if y'all see me with a whole bunch of hair and hair everywhere, that's why, because I've been overdosing on these. So yeah, but other than that, that's about it. That's the only real change that I've made. I haven't really noticed growth, really. It's filling in on the sides. You can't really see, but it's coming in. I don't have nothing in my beard right now. It's just straight, because I just co-washed it with the best co-wash in the world, Co-Man Co-Wash, unless somebody want to prove me otherwise. But yeah, that's about it. Nothing major. Just staying on course. Took on the challenge of the No Shave November from Bearded Existence, and I'm trying to figure out how this is gonna go, because I said I wasn't gonna drink soda, and I'm a soda drinker, and I'm sorry, it's just I don't know, it's just I don't know how long I'm gonna go without drinking soda. If I can go at least 2 weeks without drinking soda, that's an accomplishment for me. But man, that's a tall order, because I got for some reason I just have to drink soda or energy drink. And maybe it's just because of the taste, because hey, I like sweets. I mean, I'm like anybody else. I like ice cream, I like cakes and pies and all that. And so yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna take on that challenge and see how I do. I wonder how long I'm gonna last. Water intake, it's kind of up and down, because there's days where I drink a lot of water, and there's days where I kind of on the go and all that. And yeah, that's just, it's not hard to do it. It's just a habit that you have to develop. It's they have this thing where you do something for 21 consecutive days straight, and then you develop that habit, and then it starts becoming a habit in your routine. So maybe if I just do it for 21 days straight, it'll just be a habit. And plus, it's a good habit to have, drinking more water. So don't forget that. But yeah, that's about it. Nothing really major. Yeah, nothing's really changed that I've noticed. But I'm gonna go ahead and sum up this video. Have a good rest of y'all Monday. Pardon the sound. in the video, I got, you know, cars going back and forth, and then I got trains going back and forth. I don't know what it is. I guess they're like really busy. I think they're doing like training for conductors or something like that. So please pardon that in the video. But I'm gonna sum up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.